Yes, that's possible. No need of a scanner. Use a smart and accurate app on mobile for scanning covered in this tutorial. The first free and easy app is Google Drive, available on iPhone and Android. Download it from the App Store and Play Store, respectively. I am demonstrating with my iPhone. I installed Google Drive from the App Store. Then, sign in with your Google account. Under the Home tab, tap on the plus button and use the Scan Document option or Scan on Android. Now, keep the document next to your phone camera. In auto mode, the phone will capture the document as it is found in the camera. In manual mode, you have to click the photo by pressing the shutter button and keep from the top right corner to save the scanned document. Tap on the Save option to upload to Google Drive and keep it safe. To save it offline or download it to your iPhone Files app, tap on the More option at the top right corner. Select Download and select Save to Files in the share sheet. Tap on Save to make it offline and access it easily from anywhere. An alternate method is using the Adobe Scan app. A free app allows you to scan documents from mobile without a scanner. Sign in with your Apple ID or Google account, or sign up manually. I signed up with my Apple account. Skip the free plan pop-up, or try premium with 7 days. Allow Adobe Screen Camera access and tap on Allow. Keep document scan mode and start capturing the screenshot of the document, or tap on the camera icon and create a scan. Adjust the document look using the filter and save the PDF. To save this document offline on your device, tap on the More button at the top right corner and select Copy to Device. Select Location in the Files app. Save it. The third official method is using the Notes app. Scan the document using the iPhone in the Notes app and refer to my separate tutorial given in the video description. No sign-in official method to scan, save, and share documents on iPhone and iCloud. That's it! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like to support me, and if you have any questions, then comment below.